Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and today gagawin natin is mag-upgrade tayo ng graphics card dun sa budget gaming desktop na binuo natin na for my kid, for homeschooling dapat siya, and nagamit na natin siya for Teams, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, FB Messenger, video call, and Office application, and wala siyang issue. Gumagana naman siya, and actually nagamit na siya ni Mrs. for Photoshop, at the same time Adobe Premiere for editing my video. So since ginagamit naman natin siya, why not na-upgrade na rin natin siya, and at the same time makapaglaro ako ng Fall Guys for that game, for that desktop as well. So yung lumang desktop natin is Pentium G4400, dual core lang siya, and ang binili nating graphics card is the GTX 1650, which is I think overkill siya para doon. And why yun yung binili natin? Kasi kung bibili ako ng 1030 or lesser card, kapag nag-upgrade ako in the future ng processor board or new Pentium series or AMD, sayang naman kung ang video card ko pa rin is something less than 1650. So yun, nakuha natin siya less than 9,000 pesos. So okay na rin siya para sa akin. And malalaman natin kung maganda ba yung performance niya. And sa intro video kanina, nakita nyo naman yung Fall Guys natin, 13 to 16 FPS, while yung CS hindi siya napaka-playable, hindi lumalabas yung sa MSI Afterburner niya, pero less than 24 FPS siya. So talagang not playable siya. At the same time, yung Dota 2 tinesting din natin, actually more than 24 FPS. Okay naman siya, pero hindi ganun kaganda yung resolution and graphics, and syempre kahit pa paano gusto natin higher FPS for better gaming experience. So tama nang set. So buksan na natin kung ano naman ito at saka i-install ko siya. And ito, pambukas natin is screwdriver. So sealed siya, kasi pwede din pala ako bumili ng second hand, which is mura, kaya lang kasi nakakatakot din minsan bumili ng second hand kasi hindi mo alam kung talaga bang hindi siya abused or something. So bilhin lang din tayo ng brand new, at the same time may warranty naman siyang kasama. So pag nasira, kasi minsan nasira na rin ako ng 1070 ko, and napapa-repair siya or napapa-RMA siya kapag within warranty. So sayang yung warranty guys, kaya advisable is bumili pa rin kayo ng brand new kung kaya. Pero kung trusted nyo naman yung nagbebenta nung first time kong magkaroon ng 16 series, and yung video card na gamit ko is 1070 lang. So ito, out of the box, anong ba laman nito? Ito lang din. So ito yung card. So Asus pa rin siya. So actually hindi naman bias, pero maganda naman kasi ang Asus. And yun, maganda. And plastic. And yan, wow, ganda siya. Then, ano ba ang laman ng box niya? Wala siyang kasamang iba. Siyempre, wala naman itong VGA cable or HDMI cable. And wow, may CD pa rin siya at the same time. So, yun, ayun lang yung laman ng box. GTX 1650 4GB OC edition, and install ko na siya and testingin natin for the gaming experience. And kabit na natin siya. Remove natin itong cover, and same time okay, nag-click na siya, and screw sa screw para fix na siya. And fix na siya. Then itong okay, and syempre ang ating cover, tempered. Okay, and testing tayo. Okay, first testing. SMG P90. And yun, nakakuha na tayo ng at least 90 FPS. Oh, no, nag-drop siya 70 FPS ang lowest natin. And okay, 60, 66. FPS. Okay, and buhay pa rin tayo. Nasaan ang kalaban? Wala. And guys, yan. Dito nyo naman yung FPS natin. More than double. Kung ano yung meron tayo kanina, at least somewhere around 30 plus something lang yung FPS natin kanina. Which is, eto, pumapalo tayo na, sa tingin ko, times 3 nung actual FPS natin kanina. Masasabi natin, basta more than double. And yung settings natin is, yun, kung ano yung settings natin kanina, I believe, ito lang din yung basic settings na meron tayo. Then, try natin kung best looking, kung ano pa rin ba, kung okay pa rin ba siya. Then, apply. Then, 55 FPS, 57. And it's still, mas okay pa rin siya compare sa kanina. Kahit naka best looking na tayo. 51 FPS, 60 FPS. Good na yun. Para sa akin, more than double is enough para sa Dota. Maganda yung performance niya. And knowing na naka-maximum na tayo guys, inulit ko lang, naka-maximum settings na tayo, best looking settings pala, yan lang yung pinalitan natin and maganda pa rin yung performance niya. Okay, so maganda yung game niya para sa Dota 2. Then, try naman natin yung last game natin, which is yung pinaka-paborito natin, yung Fall Guys. So, exit tayo. Ano ba mag-exit sa Dota 2? Nakalimutan ko na! May exit pa dito. Disconnect. And, ito na yung Fall Guys natin, which is okay siya. Meron bang controller, leave, show, resume, audio, keyboard controller. So, wala tayong ibang option para baguhin yung graphics. Pero, guys, alam ko max nito ay 60 FPS. Nung sinilip ko kanina yung sa settings, ayun lang talaga. And, yung initial play natin, somewhere around lang tayo. 13 to 16 or less than 20 FPS yung na-achieve natin kanina nung wala pa yung graphics card. Ang hirap mag-control. Yeah. Go. Okay, go. Go. What happened? Abot pa ba ako? 6 na yung... pero yan, nahulog ako. Sige. And yun. And there you have it, guys. And nakita nyo naman yung gaming experience na nakuha ko from upgrading from onboard to GTX 1650 from NVIDIA. And sobrang sulit. So for guys na hindi napanood yung intro or yung actual testing ko, recap lang tayo for the CSGO, which is hindi lumalabas yung MSI Afterburner, pero yung FPS counter niya for the Steam application is somewhere from 24 yung initial testing natin na wala pang dedicated graphics card. Nag-pump up siya to 60 to 100 FPS during the playing CSGO. While for the Dota 2, somewhere around 30, then hindi pa siya yung best looking for the video settings. Yung nasa second lang, not sure kung ano yung tawag doon, pero nag-improve siya, more than double up, maybe up, baka nga mga nasa times 3 yung in-improve niya. And kahit yung best looking niya is playable pa rin at lagpas pa rin ng 30 or 50 FPS ata, if I can recall it right. And at the same time, yung favorite kong laro ngayon, which is yung Fall Guys, from 13 to 16 FPS, naging 60 FPS siya, naging maximum, na-achieve yung maximum resolution or FPS for that game. Kasi sinili po kanina yung settings, and ayun lang pala, nasa-set lang siya up to 60 FPS yung maximum for that game. I'm not sure kung may iba pang way para i-upgrade yun, pero yun lang naman yun. And yun lang pala yung mga nilalaro kong game. Hindi ako naglalaro ng mga Tomb Raider, Valorant, or iba pang games, pero yun na lang yung baseline natin, yung mga games na yun, which is I think okay naman sila for baseline kung mag-upgrade kayo ng video card, which is yung GTX 1650. And yung for the desktop na gamit ko is it's a Pentium G4400, dual core lang siya. Then the memory is 8GB and the hard disk is SSD WD Green, 250GB lang siya, and I can still play games on those things. And if gagamitin nyo lang for homeschooling, kahit hindi kayo bumili ng dedicated graphics card, or pwedeng mag-add pa rin ng graphics card or lower version ng compared to GTX 1650, workable pa rin siya, nagagamit pa rin siya for homeschooling, and based on our experience yun. And yun, wala na akong maisip, and thank you guys for watching. If you have questions or comment or suggestion, mag-comment kayo below. I'll try to answer as much as I can. Hindi ko pinapromise na masasagot ko lahat lagi, pero basta once na online ako or makita ko, sinasagot ko naman siya. Then if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe para kung may bago tayong video or bagong gadget tayong binili, updated kayo kung kailangan nyo siya sa bahay or makakatulong siya sa inyo. And hit that like button guys, and stay safe. Have a great day. Bye.